Let's solve this equation. The floor of x over 3 plus x equals 5. Let's set k equal to the floor of x over 3. By definition, k must be an integer, and k is less than or equal to x over 3, which is strictly less than k plus 1. From the original equation, we get x equals 5 minus k. Substituting this into the inequality, we get 3k is less than or equal to 5 minus k, which is less than 3k plus 3. Solving this compound inequality, we find that k is greater than 0.5 and less than or equal to 1.25. And since k is an integer, the only option is k equals 1. Finally, substituting k equals 1 back into x equals 5 minus k, we get our solution, x equals 4. To verify, let's plug x equals 4 into the original equation. We get the floor of 4 over 3 plus 4 equals 5. Since 4 over 3 is 1.3 repeating, its floor is 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. It works!